Hi guys, so here we have the Metabo BS18LTX Quick. Now it comes with our impulse function, and this is available on a range of Metabo drills and combi drills, usually on our top end product. It's a really special feature. It's a completely unique feature to Metabo, not available on any other brand in the marketplace. So I want to take some time just to show you how this works. If we zoom in here and you can see this damaged screw into the wood here, we put the impulse feature on, pressing this button on top of the drill. And that's now activated impulse. And that has this pulse mode. Bit in. Start off really slowly, even though there's no screw purchase left much on there. We're stopping cam out, and the pulse is just giving some nice, steady, controlled stop, start, turn motion. Speed that up gradually as the resistance becomes less. And hey, we're out. Normally, if you didn't have impulse activated, it's quite easy drilling bathroom tiles because of such a glossy, shiny surface to get the skid activating the impulse. Impulse on, forward, full speed. We can use this feature just to make sure that the bit does not skid. It grips onto the tile and we get a nice clean hole. Once we've broken through the tile surface, you turn it off. And we're through. Again, let's activate impulse. Starting off at the top of the steel pipe, just gently pull the trigger. Let the drill bit cut into the steel. This is giving us a pre-pilot. You start to cut through. Turn the impulse off. And we're done. So that's the Metabo BS18LTX Quick with impulse, available from toolstop.co.uk.